and welcome back to Phonics with Fi. Now, I've got a little problem. I have no idea where Ziggy is. He was supposed to be here to do this with me because he does it every week, doesn't he? But now I can't find him. So we're going to start without him. But if you see him at any point, can you shout, "Hello, Ziggy"? Is that okay? I hope he turns up eventually because it'll be very sad to do it without him, won't it? Yes. Now, let's see what our first sound is today. It is... Did you just say something? Did you say hello, Ziggy? Does that mean he's here? Where is he? I can't see him. Pardon? He's behind me. Oh, Ziggy. Oh. I thought you said he was behind me. Are you tricking me? Oh, let's get on. Our letter today is I. 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 This is the letter I, and the sound it makes is I. 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 Do you think you can do that with me? I. 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 I can't hear you doing the sound. Are you shouting something else? Did you say hello, Ziggy? Is he here? Oh, where is he? Can you see him? He's behind me. You said that last time. Are you sure? Are you tricking me again? You told me Ziggy was there. We're going to have to carry on again. But if you see him, you can shout it again, okay? But no more tricking me. We have got I, I, I. I, I, I. I, I, I. I, I. Are you shouting again? Is he here? Is he here? No, you tricked me. Oh, there he is. We finally found him. Ziggy. Was that a good game, was it? I think he's enjoyed himself, hasn't he? Shall we tell him what this letter is? I, I, I. I, I, I. Yay! Fantastic. Shall we see what's in the bag? You're going to hold it for me now. You're here to help. Yes, yes, yes. Let's see what's in the bag. Did you hear that word? In, in. In. No, I don't mean you get in. Oh dear. Ziggy is in the bag. Can you say that? Ziggy is in the bag. In. In. Get out, Ziggy. Ziggy is in the bag. In. Let's see what there is in there, shall we? We have got... Does anybody know what this is? I think it goes in your mouth and we see what his temperature's like. When might you need this? When you are ill. 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 Are you ill, Ziggy? Are you sure? Shall we see? Let's have a look. No, it's a happy face, which means you're okay. What about me? Shall we see if I'm ill? In my mouth. In my mouth. Let's see. Oh, I've got a happy face too. Yay! So when you are ill, you check your temperature. Can you say ill with me? Ill. 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 Well done. Let's see what's next. Oh. 2 things. Can you hold one in your mouth? Not for eating though. No. We've got these things, and this is ink. Ink that we can stamp with. So we can use some stamps, put it on the ink pad, and we we can make some pretty patterns. So can you say ink? Ink. 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 Well done. You are superstars, aren't you? Right, let's see what else is in. No, you don't need to get in the bag anymore. Ooh. Are you a bit scared? Oh no, he's run away. Do you know what this is? It is a spider, but spider doesn't begin with an I. Do we know a song about a spider that might have an I in it? Incy wincy spider, incy, incy. I wonder where Ziggy's gone. Do you think he's going to come back or when the spider's gone away? I think so. So while we're waiting for him, shall we sing Incy Wincy Spider? Yes. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Yes! Give yourselves a round of applause. That was amazing. So we had ill, and these were ink, and incy. Incy Wincy Spider. Well done. That's all we've got in our bag today, but I'm going to show you some pictures now and see if you can listen out. And when I show you a picture of something that begins with an I, you can say, yay! And when I say something that doesn't have an I, you have to say, boo. Like if I said bed, boo, or door, boo. But if I said ink, ink, yay! Do you think you can do that for me? And perhaps by the time we've finished doing these pictures, Ziggy will be back. Shall we see? Yes. Right, first one. This is an igloo. Igloo. Yay! That does start with an I. Next one. This is an iguana. This is an iguana. Iguana. Yes! That is an I. Iguana. Next one then is a rocket. A rocket. Boo. This place is called India. India. Yay! This one is a snake. Boo. And the last one, this is an insect. Insect. Yay! It is an insect. Superstars, well done you. Fantastic work. How did you get on with those? Could you hear that I sound? I'm sure you heard some of them. Now Ziggy still hasn't come. What? You said he's behind me again? No, he's not there. Oh, the other side. You tricking me again? I think you are. He's not there and he's not there. He's not above me and he's not on the floor. I think you're just tricking me. Oh, I felt somebody tickling my head. Oh, Ziggy is there. Silly Ziggy. Is that funny again? Do I need to get the spider back out? Okay, I think he's here to stay as long as the spider, Incy Wincy, stays inside our bag. Yes. And we did all the pictures without you. Don't worry, they did so well, didn't you? Excellent. Shall we have a quick recap of some of the sounds that we've already done? We're going to do it really quick because we've done lots of them now. Is that okay? So today's sound was I, I, I. This one is t, t, t. Ah, ah, ah. P, p, p. And finally, s, s, s. Fantastic! Well done. That was super quick. Now I'm going to show you some letters at the bottom here and I'm going to see if we can read another word. Would that be really, really good? Now, let's go for, look at this first letter, it's a P, P, P. And the next letter is a I, I, I. And the last one is a N, N, N. P, I, N. So let's put them all together. P, I, N. P, I, N. P, I, N. P, I, N. Pin! Did you hear that word? P, I, N. P, pin. Well done. Let's try another one. This one is S and I again. S, I and t, t, t. S, it, s, it, s, it, s, it, s, it, s, it. Sit. Well done. S, it. Sit. So we had p, I, n, pin, and s, it, sit. What superstars. Should we have a go at one more? I think that's a good idea. Let's try t, t, t. The next one is a I, I, I. And p, t, ip, t, ip, t, ip, t. Tip, 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 tip. Well done. Tip makes tip. Well done. You did super. Excellent work. And next time you join us, we're going to do lots of different words that we can spell with all the sounds we've done. So we won't do another sound yet. We're going to learn lots of different words because we can say so many words now we've learnt all those sounds. Is that very amazing? I think so. Yes! Now, hopefully Ziggy won't be hiding next time and you won't have to shout at me to say he's behind you because that is very silly. We hope you've enjoyed today's Phonics with Fi and we'll see you again soon for some words. See you later.